The D-Liver project is developing innovative technology for patients with advanced liver disease. A system to help monitor and deliver individualized care to patients in their homes should dramatically improve clinical care and patients' quality of life. Technology has been developed which will allow 6 different blood tests to be carried out by patients on a small machine about the size of a shoebox. A separate disposable cartridge will be used each time the blood tests are carried out. The cartridge has 2 parts, which simply fit together and are placed in the machine, which is then ready for testing. A single finger prick sample of blood, similar to that taken every day by patients with diabetes, is taken, and a drop of blood is placed onto the opening of the cartridge. The blood then flows around the cartridge, and within a few minutes the results of the 6 blood tests will be ready. D-Liver has also developed a wearable system which allows measurement of heart rate, blood pressure, temperature, and activity levels. A small plastic box is placed at the bottom of the chest and held in place with an elastic belt which passes around the back. 3 heart sensors are also attached to the chest and back of the neck and connected with a wire to the device. The measurements from both the wearable system and the blood testing machine are sent across the internet to the hospital, which will allow doctors and other health professionals to monitor a patient's progress closely. Patients will be able to keep up to date with their progress and any recommended changes to their treatment through an app on a tablet. This touchscreen system will provide instructions and feedback to patients. For example, patients will be reminded to carry out blood testing or other measurements, and new medication doses will be displayed on the screen. Sometimes a change in treatment might be necessary, for example an increase in the dose of a medication, and occasionally a visit or admission might need to be organised. However, most of the time the results will be reassuring. By checking results much more regularly than at present, any deterioration should be picked up quickly and at an early stage. Initial clinical trials of the home monitoring system are currently underway, and depending on results, it could start being used in routine clinical practice within the next 3 years. Another technology which is under development, but which is at a much earlier stage, is a bioartificial liver support system. This is designed to support the liver in much the same way that a dialysis machine supports the kidneys. Patients with deteriorating liver function, despite treatment, could be connected to the bioartificial liver, allowing their blood to be detoxified by cells within the device. Novel devices being developed by the D-Liver project will allow blood tests and other medical measurements to be carried out independently by patients at home. Sophisticated software will relay results to the hospital, providing a much closer link between patients and their doctors than is currently possible, allowing treatment to be fine-tuned and any deterioration detected early. Overall, this exciting technology will greatly improve the quality of life of patients with advanced liver disease. With clinical evaluation of the home monitoring system starting in early 2015, D-Liver could be in clinical practice in 3 years.